Here we go, we're gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we're gonna do this one for you. I remember Mr. Nash, well that's the gas, LL raising elbows. And if it lasts every year, Rock Kim was the shit to me. I flipped to see a Dougie Fresh show with Ricky D and that I was putting in work. And Chuck Hill had my homies on the hill getting ill. When shit was real, what I still remember raw with Daddy Kane. When De La Soul was putting potholes in the game. I can't explain how it was. Houdini had me pumping on that Buddha kick buzz. Cause still I was. Them block parties in the projects on my block. Don't stop sipping on that body side. My speakers playing the deeper and it's light. It's in the trucks and chaos to keep me through the night. But till the rock and man time.
Think it works?
Remember with the bomb shit. Nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school.
So on the kit, I think I'm gonna do like a little reverse mount of what the Y boys do, where they flare out the kit to give you a bigger millimeter over fender. Shaped it smooth, so it's gonna sit more like a flush fender would and not stick out and flare. Here, I'll just show you.
Before the homies in my hood learned to smack a bitch, I remember way back the week speed they had too many seeds in the trade bag. I'm on the train getting up there, freestyling with some wild kids from up there. Profiling cause the hoop keeper staring, checking where the niggas wearing. I'm wondering if that's ahead. I remember stick ball.
So this is where I made my cut. There used to be a piece that stuck here and all the way across. So my plan is to drill a hole through here and suck it in to take that away. That's the plan. Hopefully it comes together, but I guess we'll see. Hopefully I don't crack the flare. But for some eBay fitment, very nice. I mean, the doesn't really get much better than that. Let's hope this goes well, because if it doesn't, this is gonna crack and I'm gonna be sad. So, I guess there's only one way to find out.
Avatar, the fucking earthbender meme of, like, you know how the beginning looks good, man.
I kind of botched this one here, but whatever. Once it riv nuts though, it'll sit better.
Yeah.
Right now,
It doesn't look bad.
It looked like it started to crack around here, so I didn't want to go any further, but it's kind of sitting at a weird angle. Obviously it's not how it's supposed to be, but as long as it stays, I'm more than happy with it. And I mean, it's super sturdy, so I'm stoked. Yeah, as long as we don't explode any tires, I think that should be all right. I don't know if it's because I don't have two people helping me, or the first side just like... Yes. Thanks for the help, Aaron. I need a homie that know me when all these motherfucking cops be on me. I got problems, ain't nobody calling back. Now what the fuck is happening with my car's not even done, it's already getting shit talked. Right here. So I tacked these two in, went all the way to the front, tacked this one in, and then went here and here. And when I got to here, it started to flex out. So I popped these two out and then realigned, and sits okay as well as it does on the other side, but I think this one may go a little bit better with the front here just because it doesn't sit out as far as it did before. On the other side, it was raised up a little bit. This one has to sit, I don't know, like a millimeter lower. Obviously, it's never going to be perfect, and you'll never see both sides at once, so I'm not really too worried about it. But that's where we sit there. Hopefully I don't break it on pushing the inner in again, but If I do, you'll see. If I don't, you'll see again. So, either way. This clutch sleeve is fucking disgusting. That's gross. That's a little bit better. Say something, Cracky?
I can't throw real games.